In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Sony Earbuds WF-C510 and also the 700N version. So let's get started. First of all, make sure both of your earbuds are inserted in the case. Next step, close the lid, open the lid, open the lid like this, and on the back of the case, you're gonna notice there is a button. Press on that button until you see the blue light on the front flashing blue. Let's do it together. I'm pressing the button and I'm looking at the light. Here we go, it's flashing blue. I can release my finger from the button, put them aside, but do not close the lid. Now it's time to go on your MacBook. Let me put it this way so it's easier for you to see. So on your MacBook, you need to go over here. You see where there is two ovals, one black, one white. Click on it, and then you're gonna see Bluetooth. Press on Bluetooth. From here, you need to go down where you see Bluetooth settings. Click on Bluetooth settings. This window will open. From here, you need to go down, and where you see nearby devices, you're going to see your Sony earbuds. Press on Connect. And from this nearby devices list, your Sony earbuds will go right on the top with the other connected devices. You will also be able to see the battery level. And this is about it. At this point, you can open YouTube, Netflix, whatever, if you want to listen to music, put them in your ears and it will work. When you're done using them, put them back in the case, close the case, and they will disconnect from your MacBook. If you want to completely remove them from your computer, let's say you don't want to use them ever again, maybe you're going to resell them, maybe you have problems, go back in this Bluetooth device list where we were previously, find your earbuds, mine are right over here, click the eye icon over here on the right side, and select Forget this device. Forget device. This will completely erase them from your Mac. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next one.